For a little skeleton shrimp living at the bottom of a towering forest of kelp, the best way to get a share of the food is to climb. If you're only 2 centimeters long, this is like scaling a skyscraper. And yet, it's not alone. Hundreds of fellow shrimps are attempting the same ascent. A new mother has parked her brood halfway up. And she's not about to give way. This one is a determined commuter. But the mother's drive to protect her young is now causing a traffic jam. At last, many have made it to the topmost branches of this underwater forest. And it's been well worth the effort. The prize is a plankton feast, raining down from above. By midsummer, Arctic waters are filled with food.